Hello everyone, this is Mayank and welcome back to the channel. So today we'll talk about one more stock called Bhansali Engineering Polymers Limited. So this particular stock is in specialty chemical sector and it's very strong fundamentals. For the business analysis and sector analysis, I have already created a video 1 month back which you can go back and check that out. I'll link that description, I'll link that video in the cards and also I'll leave the link in the description. Now, this video is particularly about the current situation of the stock and the chart pattern which we'll see and understand what is that happening or going to happen this stock as per the analysis point of view. To start with, we'll see the fundamentals, few points the fundamentals and then we'll go back to chart. But before we do that, it's a request for you that if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I publish any new video. So we'll jump to the analysis now. Fundamentally, it's a small cap company, have very good PE, 7.85, it's very low, so you can definitely invest in this particular stock from PE perspective. ROC is 86.2, ROE is 64.4, and this is one of the best in the sector, probably the best in the sector, and also it's one of the best in the entire stock market. The best part of the stock is that it's a debt-free company and it has net profit of 334 crores annually. And with such a small market cap, if a company is debt free and making such a good amount of money in terms of net profit, that means this company is poised for growth. So this is the small fundamental parts which you cannot ignore. We'll move to chart pattern. So in terms of chart pattern, this particular stock has two chart patterns. One, if you see from long term perspective, it's making a good graph here where it grows from this part and it goes till here, and then it again tries to fall down, but it restricts itself here, and then it tries to break the resistance which is there for last close to 3 years. So this particular point is the resistance for stock for last 3 years. This is a long term chart pattern. If you see for last 1 year, if you see, if you go here, so this particular stock started from here and then it tried to fall and then again trying to break through the resistance. Now I'll remove all the drawings and I'll show you how it's working. So this is what is happening. So this is that this particular stock has this particular resistance point which is there from last close to 4 months. Now if I draw you the inference points, it started falling from here. It tried to break that resistance once, but couldn't. Second time it tried here, but again it failed. Third time also it failed. Fourth time also. Now today this stock had tried to cross this in one time in the session. Now other pattern what we can see right now in this particular stock is this. So from here if you see, this stock is falling but it's never falling to the level as before. So what I mean by that is the stock first time fell here, then it again fell down but never touched the previous level. Again it tried to fall but again it didn't touch the previous level. That means the stock is trying to push itself through this resistance. So this is one particular good thing about the stock, and this happening for quite some time. So once the stock will push this level, this stock will touch its all-time high for sure, and this all-time high is very close to the current point. It's not very far. So this is the all-time high, but so this is one particular so this is one particular thing to consider about this stock. Second most important part is the fundamentals. Since the fundamentals has improved a lot and it's one of the best right now in the sector and also one of the best in the entire stock market, this particular stock will never ever restrict itself to its 52-week high. It will definitely cross this particular point and it will make a new high, and it will keep on making since its business is good. From business perspective, just a brief, it's in specialty chemicals where it makes some kind of polymers for consumer products and for auto products, and both these segments are going to grow in the future, and this will indirectly or directly impact the growth of this particular stock. For more details about it, again I'll tell you, go back to the video and watch it. You will get the entire details of the business, also the sectors and how it impacts those sectors and what the impact of those sectors growing on this particular stock. This video is only about the current which is going to happen in this particular stock. As per me, if I say technically, it's a breakout right now. It's going to happen for this stock, and once the breakout happens, you will not get this stock at the current price point ever. So I'll suggest you, if you do your own research, if you find it helpful, you can invest at this point in time and you can hold it for very long term, and this stock can turn out to a multi-bagger for you. We always read stories about Bajaj Finance or Wipro or SDFC which made people 10 times, 20 times, 50 times money. This stock as per me is one such stock which is available at a very less price, and it's a sector which is going to grow ever faster in the future. So you can hold this stock for long term, and this can be a multi-bagger, one of the multi-baggers which is going to come in the industry. So this was my analysis. If you like the video, please hit that like button, share it with your friends so that we can make a good community where each of one of us can learn about new stocks, can learn about different kind of opportunity available with it, and each one of us can grow together. Second thing, it's a feedback request. After this 1 month of time, I made this video in English again. For last 1 month, I have been doing in Hindi. Previous to that, I was doing in English. Now, so if you can give me genuine feedback in the comment as that what language is more preferable from knowledge point of view and from your own point of view, that would be quite helpful for me to keep doing the process in the long run in the same language. Yes. One more update is that I've created the Telegram channel, which I have link in the description. You can please join it. I'll start putting regular updates in the channel from 1st of May, and we'll keep on posting about the new happenings in the market, also based on stock price. And so that's it from my end for today. We'll catch up in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Don't go out in the social gatherings. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video. Till then, thank you so much.